Go ahead, hit it. Now we're talking V8 power. It's good.
What's up YouTube? Today is the big day. It's the BMW Invasion event up in Melbourne, Florida. And we got about a 20-minute drive. I'm gonna go meet up with some people at the first watch up there near the event and grab some breakfast and chat with some friends before the event. So we're gonna get rolling. I'm super nervous. I haven't taken the car out like driving yet since putting on the front lip. So we'll see in the speed bumps here in my neighborhood. We're gonna have to go real slow and stop in front of them and check our clearance and make sure that we can actually even get out of the neighborhood. So I'm super excited about today. I feel like it's gonna be an awesome event. There's supposed to be 700 plus BMWs there. So let's go see what it's all about. Really hoping we don't run into any issues grinding that new paint off of that front lip and having issues with that, but we'll see. So clean. So I'm kind of having an issue, and it started coming up yesterday. Whenever the car warms up, it gets to a certain temperature and it starts squeaking really bad. It sounds like a vacuum leak. So I'm definitely like super embarrassed and like paranoid about what it could be, what the problem is. From what I've looked at last night, just in my research, it seems like it could be the valve cover gasket, and if it's that, it sucks because it's quite a bit of a job, but I would love to be able to do it myself. So if it is that, I'll do it myself and I'll kind of show you guys how to do it. Yeah, let's start this baby up. Oh yeah. Let's do a little rundown, see if we got everything. Got those nice new exhaust tips. Oh my gosh, this tiny little bit to stay. Well, we lucked out. That is just barely enough clearance, so. All right, let's go. Let's get on the road. Woo! I got out of my neighborhood. Hell yeah. Now we got a bunch of driving to do and keeping an eye out to make sure we don't do anything else stupid and damage the front end before we get there. So I'm gonna hit the road and I'll start filming at the event once I get there, but we'll see you in a minute.
I did want to say that we're going to start with the judging. My guy, Kevin Tipton, should be around here somewhere. And what we're going to do is we have 5 judges with him so that there's always a unanimous vote on what we're going to do. So we have 20 trophies. They're going to be 10 top BMWs selected. The 10 top BMWs selected, they're going to vary, right? So we're going to have a couple F80s because that's the majority of what we have here. We're going to select the top 2 F80s. We're going to have the F30 category. We're going to have a classic category. We're going to have a 5 Series category. So we're trying to spread the love. really like that.
What's up, guys? We are back. Literally exhausted and just dead from today. It was so much drained energy just standing in that sun. Filming was awesome today. I had a blast filming all these awesome cars that were there. Hopefully you like the video here of all the different BMWs that were there. There were some pretty impressive rides. Let me know which one you think is your favorite. My personal favorite, which actually won Best in Show, and I guess I wasn't surprised to find that out, was the one of one violet purple F80 M3 that was there. That thing was sick, and it was on white Volks TE37s that just looked amazing. So let me know what you think your favorite ride was. I didn't get to capture everything, but I captured quite a bit of the vehicles there. There was probably 600 or more BMWs there. It was awesome. And I want to say thank you to Detail Garage of Melbourne for letting me park my car in front of their tent. It was cool to be able to represent with those guys, you know, being a local Melbourne car in a car show that had cars from all over the country. It was pretty cool to hang with my local Detail Garage. So if you're interested in detailed products for your car, hit them up. They're local here in the Melbourne area. You can also order online and go into the store and just pick up your order. That's kind of convenient, especially in these times. So thank you guys so much for letting me hang out with you and park in front of your tent and be there for the day. Thank you to everybody from BMW Invasion who put this event together. It was a crazy event full of really awesome cars. People came from all over the place to come to this show, so it's a pretty awesome show. Thank you so much for taking the time to put this together. You know, if it weren't for you guys doing stuff like this, we wouldn't have car shows, and this one definitely, you could tell, took a lot of coordination, a lot of effort. There was vendors all over the place. Liquid Molly was there. Active AutoWorks came and gave away 4 $250 gift cards, so you can pick up some Active AutoWorks exhaust for your car. I was really hoping I would have got that raffle because it would have been awesome to get that equal length mid pipe. But looked like one of the guys, him and his girlfriend or wife, won, so they get $500. That's pretty awesome. That gets you pretty darn close to halfway on some of their products, especially with that mid pipe. So they can definitely pick up some cool parts. Thank you guys for, you know, sponsoring, and everybody who came out and helped make the show what it was. BBS came out, PSI, Euro Customs PR was there. Tons of awesome support from all the local BMW warehouses, all the local BMW groups and mod shops in the Florida area. So it's pretty cool to see all that. So once again, thank you everybody for putting on such an awesome show. Really appreciate it, and I think everybody that was there appreciated it, even though it may not have been able to tell because everybody was hot and miserable because it was hot as heck today and the sun was out in full force. So I am quite burnt. I've got like a mask tan from wearing my mask. That kind of sucked, but overall, hopefully you like this video, and give it a thumbs up if you did like the video, and comment down below. Let me know what your favorite car was. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.